Yeah, together. Uh, Today I will share how to install Photoshop with its filter for editing image, retouching photos. So let's start. We have six steps to install Photoshop. Firstly, you need to have installed version of Photoshop or you can download from the internet. Secondly, uh, each Chrome person slowly version into any folders. Thirdly, run file installer.exe by double click this icon after just distant folder, then follow uh, on-screen instruction to install this program. The program installs automatically. First, file release. After installing the Photoshop, you need to reset your PC in action. Here is one small note. If you don't want to do all this step again when choosing the destination folder, make sure that folder enough space save data of your photos because after this version it can take many space of your disk. Thank you.